heck of a kick. That's going to go 55.
There was cameras in all directions.
It was very
It's complete.
hectic.
It's a wide receiver screen. It's got a chance. A catch in the first down.
I got to see everything behind the camera, watching the game from a whole different perspective.
Shotgun formation, man in motion. Back to pass, wide open. Oh, he had a touchdown.
It was my first time trying to do like this whole sideline reporter job.
Page is gone. Touchdown, Varina.
It was very different. I got to participate in helping with live stream the football game.
Abigail McKenna joining me for the Center of Communications here at Varina. We also have a lot of you guys part of the center also on camera. And it's a special night. Let's send it down to the third member of our crew. Reporter Davis Daly is standing by. Davis, what you got?
That's right, Will. Tonight is senior night. And not just
I was a sideline reporter. It was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. I had to like plan out in my head questions that I wanted to ask people.
What's the game plan looking like for the second half of the game?
So it was fun and exciting.
I was working on camera 2. I got to film the football game and I got the sideline reporters. It was hard at first because like the football game moves fast when it's in play and I could not find the ball. But after a couple of minutes, I started to get it.
They're not afraid to do whatever it takes.
We are off. Getting the ball at about the 12-yard line is number 2, Marquis Harvey. Harvey, man.
I was down at the end zone towards like the end of the game. I had to get a lot of hero shots. We were definitely up a lot, which is, plus. These cameras were huge. We were definitely not used to handling such big equipment. Cords were running, almost miles. It was crazy.
It was my first time recording and doing a live stream of a football game. It was kind of hard in the beginning because I didn't know the controls, but as time went on, it became easier. And it was cool because the players, when they would score, they would look over and they would like to be recorded making big plays.
I was director's assistant, so I got to see everything behind the camera. I mean, I got to hear everything that everyone was saying, and I got to see him telling the cameras what to do and what shots they needed to get.
Taking a timeout. All right, camera 3, give me Henrico. Camera 4, give me Varina. Ready? 3, take 3. Nice. Okay, 4, take 4. Okay, good, Varina. Oh, 3, give me the rest. Ready? Take 3. All right, now we're going back to 1. Ready? 1 is high.
So the situation here, if you're just joining us, it's 14-0 Blue Devils.
It was challenging. Definitely not watching the game, because if you watch the game, then you mess up. So I like going to the football games, I like watching them, and that was probably the hardest thing.
I got to do slo-mo. It was very different because you had to play back the footage and everything and get the right clip and everything, which was a little hard.
That's number 6, Bryson Ross. Let's look at this fumble again. This is after the catch was made, and then the ball just pops out. And check out Jubril Edwards. I thought he might take it.
The most challenging thing was trying to figure out the buttons on how to figure out how to do slo-mo. After a while, I got used to it.
As we see the replay, Page caught that ball, and he has speed to burn. He's not going to be caught in that situation. Once he made the catch, he was gone.
Before the game, I definitely wasn't considering journalism or sports journalism or photography or videography. After the game, it definitely changed my entire aspect of the field.
It was extravagant for me because I learned a lot and I want to do it more.
I think it's the best way to learn and the best way to get ready for what you want to do when you get older, because I'm a hands-on learner and this is something that helps me a lot.
So kids are #LifeReady and they get that experience.
It was great. I liked doing everything, and maybe I'll actually pursue that in a job one day.
So what's your takeaway for this win for the Blue Devils heading into their final 2 games of the season?
I think it's just going to lead them to doing, exactly what they've been doing right now and continuing to keep this win streak alive, and hopefully it'll give them a lot more momentum when they go and play Highland Springs.
Hey, guys, we're going to see Janae Day. It's your day. Take it away.
Thank you for joining us tonight with Varina. The final score was 35-7. That's all, folks. Thank you, seniors. Woo!